Welcome to another exciting ride with Drift Horizon, where we take you into the world of the most thrilling automobiles. If you're a fan of adventure, power, and legendary off-road capabilities, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a vehicle that carries a legacy of toughness while bringing in modern tech and luxury like never before. Toyota has once again redefined the midsize SUV segment, blending rugged performance with refined aesthetics. The 2026 Land Cruiser Prado is not just a successor but an evolution, delivering a bold new design, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology that makes it more capable than ever. At first glance, the new model embraces a boxier, more aggressive stance that pays homage to its off-road heritage while incorporating modern styling cues that make it look both premium and unstoppable. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different markets and driving needs. A new hybrid-assisted 2.4-liter turbocharged engine delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for both city and off-road adventures. There's also a diesel variant, continuing Toyota's commitment to providing reliable and durable powertrains for those who demand serious torque for towing and challenging terrains. The new Prado doesn't just look tough, it backs up its rugged design with an upgraded suspension system and an advanced four-wheel drive setup. Toyota's latest multi-terrain select system and improved crawl control technology allow drivers to tackle sand, mud, and rocky trails with ease. The reinforced ladder frame chassis, shared with the new Land Cruiser 300 and Lexus GX, enhances rigidity while reducing weight, making it more agile and stable in extreme conditions. Inside, Toyota has taken a major leap forward in luxury and technology. The cabin offers a blend of durability and sophistication, featuring high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a driver-focused layout. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, ensuring the driver has all the necessary information at a glance. Toyota has also integrated a head-up display and an advanced 360-degree camera system, making maneuvering this beast a breeze. Comfort has been prioritized like never before. The new Prado comes with ventilated and heated seats, a premium sound system, and a spacious second row with improved legroom. Higher trims even offer captain's chairs, turning this rugged SUV into a true luxury cruiser. Third-row seating remains an option, making it an excellent choice for families who need versatility without compromising off-road capabilities. Toyota's safety technology has always been top-notch, and the 2026 Prado is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced collision prevention system. Whether you're navigating urban streets or conquering the wilderness, Toyota ensures you and your passengers are protected at all times. Fuel efficiency has also seen a significant improvement, thanks to Toyota's hybrid technology. The combination of an electric motor and turbocharged engine ensures better mileage while maintaining the Prado's signature durability. For long-distance travelers, this means fewer stops at the pump and more time enjoying the journey. One of the biggest talking points about the 2026 Land Cruiser Prado is its newfound balance between being a hardcore off-roader and a daily driver. Unlike previous generations that leaned heavily towards off-road prowess, this model strikes a perfect mix of ruggedness and refinement. Toyota has introduced adaptive suspension settings, allowing drivers to switch between comfort mode for highway cruising and off-road mode for tackling rough terrains. This dual personality makes it one of the most versatile SUVs in its class. Toyota has also focused on making the new Prado more user-friendly, with an intuitive infotainment system, voice control features, and wireless charging pads. The inclusion of multiple USB-C ports and a rear entertainment system in higher trims makes long road trips more enjoyable for passengers. For off-road enthusiasts, Toyota hasn't held back. The 2026 Prado comes with locking differentials, an advanced traction control system, and an increased water weighting depth, ensuring it remains one of the most capable SUVs out there. The approach and departure angles have been optimized, and ground clearance has been slightly increased, giving it an even better stance for conquering tough trails. The new electro-hydraulic power steering system also enhances control, providing better feedback in both urban and off-road driving conditions. Customization options have been expanded as well. Toyota offers multiple trim levels, from the entry-level model packed with essential off-road features to the fully loaded premium variant that rivals luxury SUVs in terms of comfort and technology. Buyers can choose from a range of exterior colors, interior finishes, and optional add-ons like a roof rack, off-road skid plates, and an upgraded towing package. Speaking of towing, the 2026 Prado continues its tradition of being a workhorse. With an improved towing capacity of over 6,500 pounds, it can easily haul boats, trailers, and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. This makes it an ideal choice for adventure seekers and those who require serious pulling power. One of the standout features is the introduction of Toyota's new off-road camera system, which provides real-time visuals of the terrain underneath the vehicle. This is especially useful for navigating tricky rock crawling scenarios where every inch of movement matters. The updated crawl control now operates more smoothly, allowing for precise low-speed maneuvers without driver intervention. The design evolution of the new Prado is something fans will appreciate. Toyota has retained its rugged DNA but introduced sleek LED lighting, a more sculpted body, and an aggressive front grille that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The wheel arches are more pronounced, adding to its muscular look, while the rear features a cleaner design with modern taillights that blend seamlessly into the overall styling. The global availability of the 2026 Land Cruiser Prado means different markets will get slightly different configurations, with some regions receiving hybrid-exclusive models while others get the tried-and-tested diesel variants. Toyota has tailored each model to suit the driving needs and fuel preferences of different parts of the world, ensuring that the Prado remains a top contender in the SUV market. For those wondering about pricing, Toyota aims to keep the new Prado competitive. While exact numbers vary depending on the trim and market, the base model is expected to start around $55,000, with the fully loaded versions reaching closer to $75,000. Considering the blend of technology, performance, and off-road capabilities, it's a solid investment for those looking for an all-terrain SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort. Toyota's commitment to sustainability is evident in the hybrid variant, offering reduced emissions without sacrificing power. This aligns with the company's broader strategy of electrification while still catering to off-road enthusiasts who demand reliability in remote locations. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado is a testament to Toyota's ability to evolve while staying true to its roots. It remains a symbol of durability, adventure, and capability, now enhanced with modern features that make it more appealing than ever. Whether you're looking for a dependable family SUV, an off-road warrior, or a long-distance cruiser, this new model ticks all the right boxes. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Prado. Would you choose the hybrid or stick with the traditional diesel powertrain? And don't forget to subscribe to Drift Horizon for more in-depth reviews and automotive adventures. Stay tuned for more exhilarating content, and we'll catch you in the next one.